Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to your accountancy class. As usually, yesterday's in the last session, we stopped with this one of the problems, sales and sales return book. So almost that I will be continuing today. I'm not going to make uh, take much time off for that. I will get started with this. Everyone is having the question. The same way we'll proceed with this concept. So as usually, the first transaction which take place is goods sold on credit to Rohit stores. That is what Rohit stores. That is invoice number also is there. Invoice number is 325, and the
Yes, sir.
date which took place, it was December 1st, 2014. The year I will write, this is December 1st, the entry which took place. Now, as usually, we are going to count the total goods sold amount. So it is 20 kids books. Sorry, 30 kids books are there. Kids book at rupees how much? 60 rupees
The
each.
60.
Okay, this is one, and another one, 20 animal books. 20 animal books,
50 at 50 rupees.
50 rupees each. So what is the amount
Yes,
for
sir.
this total? Check it out. 16 to 3 9. How much it is? 900 plus.
Sir, sir, it is 30, no?
Oh yes, 30. 1800.
Yes, sir, it
1800
is correct.
and
20 into 50. Sir,
1000.
1000.
1000. The total is 2800. Okay, so this amount we are going to take on the name of whom? Rohit Stores.
Yes, sir.
Rohit Stores. 2800.
Yes, sir.
So what is the next entry? Check it out.
Sir, December 5.
December 5. What it is?
Invoice number 328.
Okay.
Sir,
So
Mira stores it is. 100 greeting cards.
100 greeting
Rupees
cards,
12
just
each.
100 into 12. And next
Sir,
50,
50 into 50.
50 music cards. 15 to 50.
Yes, sir.
But here they have given here 5% discount as well.
Yes, sir.
Check it out. What will be the total for this?
Sir, 100 into 12, it is 1200.
And this 15 to 50?
Sir, 2500.
2500.
So check it out, the discount on this 3700.
Yes.
So 3515.
Discount
Sir, 185 it is.
185 is discount amount. Okay, then amount is 3515.
515.
Okay, so whose name it is?
Sir, Mira Traders.
Mira Stores.
Yes, sir, Mira Stores.
Mira Stores. Okay, after this,
Sir,
next,
sold on credit to
sold goods
MS
on
Mega
credit, Mega
Stationery.
Stationery, invoice number 329.
Yes, sir.
329. Date
Date
10.
is December 10.
Okay, so as usually, tell me how many books they have sold.
Sir, 50 into 20.
50, 50, 50. I will
50
write
into
here
20. Then
calculation. See,
next,
read it.
50 into 30.
Read full sentence. 50 writing pads of rupees 20
At
each.
rupees 20 each.
50 color
Next,
books,
50 color books into
30.
30 each.
30 rupees each, and 20 ink pads,
Pads
16.
at 16 each.
Here no discounts and nothing is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then 5 choose a 10.
These are 1000 only.
1000. 1500.
320.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2820.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2820.
Okay,
Yes,
Correct
sir.
it is.
2820. To whom's name it is?
Sir, Mega Stationeries.
Mega Stationery. Mega Stationery. Okay. So next, goods returned from Rohit. We are having goods returned from Rohit. The invoice number is 201. It is on December 15th.
Yes, sir.
December 15th it is. What all things are there? 2 kids book.
At rupees 60 each.
Is there any discount given for him?
No, sir.
No, no, sir.
170 only?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Yes, sir.
170 rupees. So who's
Yes, sir.
Rohit?
Yes.
Rohit stores. Okay. So after this, 19 December, goods sold on
Yes, sir.
credit, Abhay Traders. Abhi Traders.
About traders, yes, sir.
Abhay Traders. Abhay Traders, goods are being sold. So how much? Invoice number is 355.
Sir, 355.
Date?
Sir, date is December
19.
19th.
So give me the information about other things. What
Sir,
all things?
100 cards at rupees 10 each.
Okay. Next.
Sir, next
50
50 notebooks,
rupees
35.
50
Yes, sir.
into how much rupees?
Sir, 35.
Check it out. What is the amount for this?
Sir, trade discount is also there.
I will write that. Check it out. This amount. How
1,750.
much it is?
Sir,
1,750.
1,750.
Check it out. The amount for discount amount. Tell me the discount amount and remaining amount as well.
Sir, it is 137.5 discount.
And final amount?
Sir, 2,612.5.
2000?
612.5.
No, I think it is wrong somewhere. Goods sold on credit to Abhay Traders, invoice number 100 into 10, 1000 rupees. Then 15 to 35. Check it out the amount 50 into 35.
Sir, that only 1,750.
Yes, sir.
1,000.
1,000.
Yes, sir.
It is 1750.
250.
I think somewhere they have gone wrong in the textbook, or okay. We'll go in our way, 19th. So what is the amount? This is been told. So remaining amount is how much?
So wait now.
Tell me fast. Be fast.
Sir, 2,612.5.
2612.5.
612.5.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So next.
So next, goods returned from MS Mega Stationeries.
Goods returned. So 60 rupees
Yes,
only.
sir.
Goods return is
Yes, sir.
60.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It is
sir.
on date 22. Invoice
Two.
number
Sir,
204.
204.
Mega
Stationeries.
Mega stationery only 60 rupees.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So two color books in two in yes, only two are there. Actually, in the textbook they have gone wrong. See, if you all are having the textbooks, you can go through it. Then on 26th, what it is? Bharat stores. They have sold goods to Bharat stores.
Bharati stores, sir.
26, the invoice number 325.
Sir, 325.
325. Then 100 into 20.
Greeting cards at rupees 20 each.
Okay, next 100 into 5. Fancy.
Yes, sir.
100 greeting cards into 20, that is what, 2000
Sir,
rupees, and
2000.
fancy 500 rupees.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2000 and 500, 2500. Any of the discounts are
Yes.
there over here? No.
No, sir.
2500. In whose name it is?
Sir, Bharti
Sir,
Stores.
Bharti Stores.
Stores.
Bharti store.
Okay, this is done.
Yes, sir.
Next, last one more is remain, right?
Sir, goods returned from MS Abha Traders.
Abha Traders. Goods
Yes,
return.
sir. Sir, 207 invoice number and date 30. December 30.
Abha Traders, how much goods are returned?
Sir,
200,
20 card
200
books.
into 20 into 100.
10, sir, it is.
Sorry, 10 into 100.
No, sir, that 20 into 10 it is.
Okay, okay. 20 into 100. This is
Two-
200. And
Yes, sir.
one more.
Sir, 5 notebook at rupees 35 each.
Check it out. This, how much it is, and even 5% trade discount.
Yes, sir. 175.
Yes, sir.
Check it out, the amount discount of that.
Sir, 18.75.
18.75
Yes, sir.
discount.
Yes, sir.
Then here amount
Sir, 356.25.
okay. So just make it the total of this.
Sir,
Both total up and down
tell me.
on 31st.
Sir, it will be 11,000.
Up one,
Yes, sir.
11,000.
997.5.
Okay. Next, one more.
Sir, it will be 586.25. Down one.
586.25.
25.
Okay, done. So this get completed. We'll go for another one. Ledger accounts. See, is there any problem regarding the ledger accounts till now? What we have
No,
solved?
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Leaving you all for what about others? Only get your response. What about others? Others are not ready to respond only. Yes. So as usually, we'll start up with this. So till here got the things?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So one by one the accounts will remove here the accounts and let's get completed to this. So which all accounts we are going to remove? First,
sir.
who is it is? Rohit.
Sir, Rohit stores account.
Okay, so tell me the amounts. Let get completed one by one. So Rohit
Yes,
has
sir.
purchased in the sense what Rohit gets debit entry, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here what we can say purchase. Is it
No,
okay?
sir. Sales, no.
Sir, sales, sir.
Sir, sales it is.
Array, sorry. We are doing sales, right?
Sales, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sales for us it is debit entry.
Purchase, sir.
Debit entry. Sales means
Yes, sir.
Rohit is sales. Sales is how much? 2,800.
2,800.
December 1st.
December 1.
December 1. Okay. So another, even he is having the
Sir, credit side.
credit entry. Credit entry 5 we are taking credit entry. He has returned goods.
Sir, sales return it is.
Sales return. Which date it is? 15th.
Sir,
December 15.
15th. Sales return is 170.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this completed. Is there any other entry? No, that's it.
No,
Only this much only
No,
it is.
sir.
So one more account. One account got complete.
Yes, sir.
Next, who is that next person?
Sir, next,
Mira
Mira stores account.
Mira Stores. Let's go for Mira Stores. Mira Stores. So what it is? 328.
Sir, debit side.
Mira Stores 3 1 3
1,515, sir.
5. So date is December
Sir,
December.
December 5.
5. So it is sales.
Sales.
Yes, sir.
Again, any of the return is there for this?
No, sir.
Sir,
Even
only sales.
this, even this got
Yes, sir.
completed. Okay,
So
what
next
other?
is Mega Stationeries.
Mega stationaries account.
Mega Stationery. This is sales.
Sir, debit side.
December 10.
10.
Sales is how much?
The amount is 2,820.
20. Again, here we are having sales return as well
And
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
on December 22.
Yes, sir.
How much? 60 only.
Sir, 150.
So 150.
150?
In textbook it is given, sir, 150.
Have you seen the
Amount
correct?
is-
Have you made any of the correction for that?
50.
No, sir, it is only 60 it is.
Yes.
That's
Then,
only.
so as per the question, we will
60.
go for that only 60.
Yes, sir, 60.
Why? Because there is a printing mistake. Many of the time, even textbooks get wrong.
Yes, sir.
As per the question, we are right.
Yes, sir.
Don't be dependent on that only. So, what is the next after this?
Next is apart
Traders.
traders account.
Okay, Abba Traders, what they have done on December 19th.
Sir, December 19th sales.
Sales is how much?
Sir, amount is 2,375.
2.5.
2.5.
Okay. Any again
Sir,
return
next
also is there.
sales return.
Sales
December
return.
30. Amount is 356.25.
So even this transaction gets completed.
Got yours.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next,
Sir,
what about
Is
next?
Bharti stores account.
Last only we are having about this. Then after that, the
Bharti
summary,
stores account.
sundry, you can make
Yes,
it.
sir. Sales account and sales return account.
An
Last.
account.
That you will do now.
Yes, sir.
Bharti Stationery.
Yes. Bharti
Stores.
stores it is, sir.
Bharti Stores. So what is our sales? Sales on
Sir,
26.
December 26.
26.
26 sales. Sales is how
Thousand.
much?
Yes,
250 only.
So
yes, sir.
2500.
2500. Okay. 2500. Only this much. No other entry for this
Yes,
also.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Then got completed for this. Then again after this, sales and
sales
sales return we are having.
Yes, sir. Sales account and sales return account.
Sales. What is the sales entry?
Sir,
December.
debit side. No, sir. Credit side. Credit.
December
December
31.
31.
31st.
Sundries as per sales book.
Sundries as per
Sales book.
sales book. Okay. Amount is 11,997.55.
0.5.
Okay, only 5. It's 50. So even this got
So
completed.
next is sales return account.
Sales return as well. So what is the sales return amount over here? It is debit into your credit.
So debit side it is.
December 31st.
Sundries as per.
Sundries
Yes,
as per
sir.
sales return.
Sundries as per sales
Sales
return
return.
book. Yes, sir.
The amount is 586.25.
0.25.
Done. So this is the
Yes, sir.
end.
Yes,
So
sir.
all the ledger accounts also we have removed, and then as well we have completed its sales book and sales return book. Yes.
Yes, sir.
See, if I get
Yes, sir.
a response from your side, it is almost done. We can complete it very fastly, but everyone is not providing me the answers. So I want everyone to give me in return the answers. I'm not asking individual questions over here. See, I will not be noticing this chat box also as you are sending the answers over here. In textbook, don't be dependent on textbook. Whatever the questions are been given for you, as per your thinking, you are right for that. What calculation you have done, this is what, see, Abai traders, as per the book, it is wrong. How
Yes,
they have
sir.
calculated, it is wrong. Why? Because there may be a printing mistake. Many of the times even textbook gets wrong over here. Okay,
Yes,
so don't
sir.
be dependent.
Yes, sir.
This is all about the problem of the sales and sales return book. So after this, I'm going to go for a journal proper concept. And in this journal proper, exactly what we are going to see is the entries, the transactions which take place, which are not recorded in books. Which are that not recorded transactions that we are going to record in this journal proper. See, I will tell you.
Yes, sir.
Specific journal entries till now what we have past journal entries where the transactions are not recorded in specific journal entries, that transactions we are going to take here, and which are the transactions we are going to know in the next illustration when we will be solving the problem. That time you will come to know which are the entries which will not be recorded in the regular journal book, journal entries. Why we not record there? What is the reason for that? That we are going to know here. See, some of the things, entries or transaction which take place, we can't record it in our specific books. Okay, for that purpose we are going to make here the journal proper. Now exactly what it is journal proper, I will tell you. as per the textbook. See, almost. Let's see here. See, shall I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Almost we
Yes,
have
sir.
done with this.
Yes, sir.
The next concept what we are going to know here is journal proper. Now what journal proper means? See, a book maintained to record transactions. A book which is maintained to record the transactions which do not find place in special journals. See, some of the transactions which are taking place which will not be recorded in special journals. So till now what journal entries we have passed, you know?
Yes, sir.
In that we are not going to get the place for these transactions are recorded here. The transactions which will not get place in this are recorded here. Now which all transactions take place? Why we not get the place to record here? What is the reason for that? Why we are not recording the transactions in that specific journals only? Why we require here journal proper differently? That we are going to know in today's session. So let's see. See, as per the things, a book maintained to record transactions which do not find a place in special journals is known as journal proper. Which the transactions which are taking place which are not getting a place in this are recorded in this.
Journal.
That's it. This much only it is. Exactly what the journal proper means. All the business transactions which take place where we don't find a place to record in special journals, we call them as a journal proper. That's it. यहाँ पर हम लोगों को स्पेशल जर्नल्स में जगह नहीं मिलता, उस ट्रांजैक्शंस को हम लोग क्या करेंगे? जर्नल प्रॉपर में डालेंगे. That's it. We call it as a journal proper, not more for that. Then let's go for this. See, further, the following transactions are recorded in this journal. Now, which are the transactions are there which are recorded under this? Transactions which are recorded under. The transactions which are recorded under this journal proper are told over here. Okay, so let's see one by one. So opening entry, the first one is opening entry. The first transaction which take place is opening entry. Let's see what all opening entry means here. See, in order to open a new set of a book is the beginning of new accounting year and record therein opening balance of assets and liabilities, and capital. The opening entry is not made in the journal. See, whenever one very simple point, this point, what it means, you know, you are having the assets, the balance sheet. Have you seen the balance sheet? In that you will be showing right hand side the assets, left hand side the liability and capital. See how the balance sheet will be. This is what liability and capital it will be, then amount, then assets, then amount. So this is what balance sheet as usually we see. Okay, when you are having the opening balance of assets, liabilities and capital, that we are not recording in this journal proper, opening balance for that. Okay, for that purpose we maintain separate journal proper. Got the things? So this is what the first point, exactly what it means. What is the main motto of this point is opening, that is what opening entry for which the assets and the liabilities. So it's very, how it is very specific. The opening entry for this is not recorded in this journal proper. Special journal. So it is going to take place in journal proper only. So how it is? See, I'll repeat one more time. Opening entry. In order to open new set of books in the beginning of a accounting year, just like you are going to start 31st March is end. Okay, this is what the end. Now start 1st April, you are going to start. Now what about these assets, liabilities, then capital? Why you are not taking these points in the opening of the books of this year? This was 2020 and this is 21. Okay, new year we are going to start on 1st April 2021. So in that time, why you are not taking these entries in these special journals? That is what the reason we are going to know here. So few of the transactions which will not take entry in these books, these journals are maintained here. So specifically the transaction which are recorded here is opening entry, of which assets, liabilities and capital. Whatever the opening balance is there with you in the business, that entries will be taken in this journal. So opening entry is made in this journal. So this is what the first point which is recorded here. So I will erase these points. Next, second one is adjustment entries. See, next point comes with the adjustment entries. So what adjustment entries mean? So let's see. In order to update ledger account and on accrual basis, such entries are made at the end of the accounting period, such as rent outstanding, prepaid insurances, depreciation and commission received in advance. See, few of the time there are certain adjustments, just like if you want, this is what 31st December, this rent, or else will not take this, this is March, you have not paid the rent of this month. Okay, so new year, it is 1st April is going to start. Now this balance, what is pending, that is what rent outstanding will be shown here. So these transactions we are not showing in special journals. This kind of entries we are not showing here in special journals. So for that kind of things, that kind of transactions, if it is any of the transactions where the adjustments are there, adjustments like this. Now financial year will end on 31st March. Okay, that time if you have not paid the rent of the building, whatever you are occupied place, that time what you are going to make in the next financial year, if it is pending, that you will be showing here rent outstanding. It is only one single part I am telling. Even other adjustments also are there. Prepaid insurance, as you have paid in advance, then depreciation or commission received in advance. अगर आपने एडवांस में ही कमीशन रिसीव किया है तो आप कहां पर एंट्री करोगे उसकी? तो जर्नल्स में बताओगे एडवांस कमीशन रिसीव किया है? नो, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू टेल देयर. So it comes under this journal proper only. for the things ये adjustment entries बोलते हैं इसे. What we call this?
Yes, sir.
Adjustment
Yes, sir.
entries. That's it. What kind of adjustment? Just like outstanding salary भी होता है. Outstanding rent. Outstanding rent means rent which is pending, which you have not paid. That is what outstanding rent we call. And even outstanding salary is there. Salary for the workers, if you have not paid for 1 month and in the March, and then you have come to the next financial year, so it will come here salary outstanding, means it is a balance which you have not paid for you. For preceding present year, if it is, we are not going to take here, but this you are going to take. Now this comes with the adjustment, so we call this as a adjustment entries. That's it. Next one, rectification entries. Now what exactly this rectification means? Okay, so to certify errors in recording transaction in the books of original entry and the posting of ledger is account, ledger account, this journal is used. Rectification means what exactly it means. Some of the entries, see error entries, see how it has been told to certify, rectify errors, to remove out the certain errors, whatever the transactions which are having any of the errors. मतलब थोड़ी बहुत गलतियां करते हैं, पता है गलती हो जाती है तो उसे errors बोलते हैं. Okay, so that error transactions in the books of original entry, whatever the special journals or ledger, अगर कोई गलती होती है तो वो क्या करेंगे? Where you are going to rectify this? Where you are going to solve this? This you are going to maintain in journal proper only. मतलब यहाँ पर बहुत क्लियर है. Rectification entries means what? To rectify errors in the recording transactions. अगर कोई रिकॉर्डिंग ट्रांजेक्शन करते वक्त जैसे कि स्पेशल जर्नल्स में कोई गलत हो या फिर लेजर अकाउंट्स में कोई गलती होते हैं, उसे सॉल्व तो करना पड़ेगा, है कि नहीं? यू हैव टू सॉल्व दैट. यस, फॉर सॉल्विंग दैट थिंग्स entries we are going to have the entries in journal proper. Okay, rectification mention, rectify means solving out the things. If any of the errors are been made in the transactions or which took place in the original books जैसे कि ये journal entries, जो first journal entry को हम लोग original books of accounts बोलते हैं, और ledger accounts, अगर वहां पर कोई गलती होती है उसे क्लियर करना पड़ता है ना, वो एंट्रीज हम लोग यहाँ पर लेंगे. ओके, दैट्स इट. नेक्स्ट वी आर हैविंग ट्रांसफर एंट्रीज. Now what this transfer entries means? Transfer entries, see, drawing account is transferred to capital account at the end of the accounting year. Expenses account and revenue account which is not balanced at the time of balancing of the opening is to be recorded in the specific transactions. See, there are certain things, as in the first point we told, assets, liabilities and capital. Okay, these three things are there. Capital means what? Capital means what? The partners. If you take the partners business, okay, in that business they have invested 1 lakh rupees amount. A has invested 1 lakh, B has invested 80,000 and C has invested 60,000. Okay, this is what the investment for them. If they have withdrawal, just A has withdrawal 15,000. Now what is the capital remained for him is 85,000. So this transaction is adjusted adjusted where? Transfer. We are going to transfer this as a drawings. Yes?
Yes, sir.
These specific
Yes, sir.
entries
Yes,
will be
sir.
taken into journal proper. Whichever the amounts are been transferred, that will be